Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can power off the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. And I think you've realized it already, if you long press here the power button, you wake up Bixby with. But how to power off the phone? For that you will need next to the power button also the volume down button. Long press now these both buttons together and you are at the power off menu. After just tap on power off, confirm on power off and the phone will shut down. There's a second way to power off the phone. For that, just scroll down here, scroll down a second time, and you have also here the symbol to power off. Just tap on it, then you are in this power off menu, and just confirm then twice on power off, and the phone will turn off as well. But there's a way to set up this power button, or the side button, as Samsung call it here, as a real power button. Well, let me show you how this works. So just scroll down here, tap here on the symbol for the settings. Then you need to scroll down to the point Advanced Features. And here we'll find the point side key. And here you could choose what should happen if you press and hold this side key. Now, actually, we are waking up Bixby with, but we want to have the power off menu now. And that means whenever you long press now the power button, you will have directly the power off menu. Just confirm on power off and again on power off. And the phone will shut down. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support and maybe until next time. Ciao.